Wait, before you cook your next catfish, watch this. This is the secret to getting a perfect juicy oven roasted catfish. Start with a well-cleaned catfish, then make deep cuts on both sides. This helps every bite of the seasoning stick into the fish. Then add your favorite spices: ginger, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, curry, thyme, black pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and a little bit of vegetable oil. Massage the marinade into every cut and inside the fish. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, then place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. When the fish is half cooked, you turn it over so that the other part of it be properly cooked. Put it back in the oven and roast until it's beautifully golden and cooked through. Just look at this. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with incredible flavor. Would you try this recipe? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Ngwanu. Bye.